Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Laundry Hamper Black is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in maintaining a tidy and organized living space, transforming the mundane chore of laundry management into a seamless and stylish experience. This particular hamper, with its sleek black design, is engineered not just for functionality but also to complement your home's aesthetic, offering a sophisticated solution to keep dirty clothes out of sight and your rooms looking pristine. It's a practical addition that speaks volumes about your attention to detail in home care and organization, proving that even the most utilitarian items can be a statement piece. Number 5. Simple Houseware Double Laundry Hamper. This laundry hamper is designed with a reinforced structure, featuring supporting rods and sturdy panels. It stays strong and upright, even when completely full. Crafted from heavy-duty 600D polyester, this hamper is wear-resistant and built for long-lasting use. Its water-resistant surface prevents moisture buildup, making it ideal for any room. With dual compartments, sorting your laundry by color or type is a breeze. It makes managing your laundry routine much simpler. It comes with 2 removable mesh bags that include handles. This makes transporting your laundry to and from the washing machine incredibly easy. Designed to be lightweight with side handles, moving it from room to room is effortless. When not in use, it folds flat for compact storage. The flip-top lid effectively contains odors and keeps your dirty clothes out of sight. Enjoy a fresher-smelling laundry area. What we like? This hamper offers dual compartments for easy sorting and removable bags for convenient transport. Its odor control lid keeps smells contained. If you need a practical solution for separating laundry and managing odors, this is a great choice. What people say? The hamper's shape is both aesthetically pleasing and functional, providing a perfect fit for my needs. It's neither too large nor too small, making it an ideal size for storing my laundry. The sturdy construction ensures durability. It's a little flimsy, but for the price it's to be expected. I have it in my toddler's room, one side for clothes and the other for towels. It's the perfect size, and I love that I can take the bags out to bring to the laundry room. The bags make it easy to move clothes to the washer, and it's big enough to hold a good amount of laundry. It's also small enough to fit comfortably in our utility room. Number 4. Lifewit Double Laundry Hamper. Keep your space tidy with this laundry hamper. Its sturdy lid hides dirty clothes, and the neutral colors blend seamlessly with any decor. Crafted with durable materials and reinforced with supporting rods, this hamper is designed for long-lasting stability and frequent use. Setting up is a breeze, taking only minutes. When not in use, it conveniently folds flat for easy storage. Featuring 2 large compartments, you can easily sort your laundry. The removable bags with handles make transporting clothes to the wash simple. With a large 136L capacity, it holds multiple loads of laundry. Each divided section is perfectly sized for separating your wash. The removable laundry bags come with handles, making it easy to carry your clothes from the hamper to the washing machine. What we like? With a generous 136L capacity and a firm, stable construction, this hamper is built to last. It's also incredibly easy to set up. If you have a large family or generate a lot of laundry, this hamper's substantial size and robust build will be perfect for you. What people say? The hamper is divided into 2 compartments, allowing me to separate my clothes by color or type. This feature is especially useful for those who prefer to sort their laundry before washing. The lid of the hamper is a great addition as it keeps the laundry out of sight and prevents any unpleasant odors from spreading. The lid is also possible to stay open, which is convenient when I need to quickly toss in a last-minute item without having to open the entire hamper. The included removable laundry bags are a practical feature that makes doing laundry a breeze. The bags are made of durable material and are easy to remove and carry to the washing machine. Number 3. Simple Houseware Foldable Laundry Hamper Basket. Introducing a stylish solution to keep your laundry woes at bay. This hamper is designed to conceal your dirty clothes, maintaining a fresh and tidy space. Crafted from durable yet lightweight materials, it's built to last. You can easily move the entire hamper or detach the inner bag for convenient transport to the washing machine. A practical laundry bag is attached and can be easily removed. This makes carrying your clothes to the laundry room a breeze. Its clever foldable design allows it to fit seamlessly into most closet spaces or bathrooms. When not in use, it collapses for effortless storage. Measuring 13 foot, L x 13, W x 17.5, H, it offers ample space for your laundry. Need more room? It can extend up to 22.75 foot, H to accommodate larger loads. Keep your home looking neat and organized with this functional and attractive laundry hamper. It's the perfect blend of style and practicality for any household. What we like? This hamper is designed to be durable yet lightweight, with a convenient collapsible feature for easy storage. It includes a single removable bag for transport. If you're looking for a space-saving option that's easy to move and store, especially in smaller living spaces or dorm rooms, this one is ideal. What people say? It fit well where I needed it. The size they represented was accurate. And the neutral color blended in perfectly with my furniture and wall color. The lid velcros in the back and has magnets on the front to hold the fold over. Sturdy, love the magnetic lid, handles are strong for carrying to laundry room and back, recommend to everyone. Number 2. VASAGLE Laundry Hamper UBLH201B01. Tired of laundry day chaos? This hamper makes sorting simple with 2 spacious compartments, each holding 12.1 gallons. Keep your delicates and everyday wear separate with ease. Need extra space? The top shelf offers a convenient spot for organizing detergent or displaying decor. Its slatted design also promotes airflow, keeping things fresh. Say goodbye to smelly bags. Each liner is easily removable thanks to hook and loop fasteners. They're also washable, ensuring a clean and hygienic laundry routine. This hamper is designed for durability. A sturdy metal frame and robust shelf support up to 44 pounds, while water-resistant bags and adjustable feet ensure stability. Perfect for any room, this hamper blends seamlessly into your laundry room, bathroom, or bedroom. Its stylish design complements any decor. What we like? This laundry hamper stands out with its integrated shelf, providing extra space for organizing items, and a sturdy metal frame. It also features 2 pull-out bags for sorting. If you appreciate multifunctional furniture and need a stylish, stable solution with added storage, this hamper is an excellent fit for your laundry room or bedroom. What people say? Setup was very simple, and it is very stable and sturdy even when full of laundry and with items on the top shelf. The drawers slide out very easily and keep the laundry out of sight in an elegant manner. For over a year it's held up against her antics and still looks and works as new. The wood is nice and this is easy to assemble. The metal stays together nicely and is very sturdy. Number 1. VASAGLE Laundry Hamper UBLH101B01. Tired of clutter? This compact laundry hamper fits perfectly into tight spaces, offering generous storage without taking up too much room. It's the ideal solution for maximizing your storage potential, especially in smaller homes. Keep your laundry area tidy and odor-free. The built-in shelf provides extra space for detergents or toiletries, while the slatted design ensures good ventilation. It helps keep your laundry fresh and organized. Managing laundry has never been easier. The liners are designed with a plastic bottom for support and can be effortlessly removed thanks to a hook and loop fastener. This makes transporting your laundry a breeze. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust construction. Featuring a sturdy metal frame and durable Oxford fabric liners, this sorter is built for stability. Adjustable feet ensure it stays put, even on uneven surfaces. This versatile hamper isn't just for the laundry room. Its stylish design complements any space, including bathrooms and bedrooms. It's a practical addition that blends seamlessly with your home decor. Crafted with water-repellent Oxford fabric, the liners can handle spills and moisture with ease. The sturdy metal frame ensures long-lasting use. It's designed to withstand daily wear and tear. What we like? This hamper is perfect for tight spaces, offering a compact design with a convenient shelf for organization and ventilation. Its water-repellent liners ensure durability. If you have limited floor space but still want a functional and stable laundry solution with an added shelf, this hamper is designed with your needs in mind. What people say? Setup was very simple, and it is very stable and sturdy even when full of laundry and with items on the top shelf. The drawers slide out very easily and keep the laundry out of sight in an elegant manner. For over a year it's held up against her antics and still looks and works as new. The wood is nice and this is easy to assemble. The metal stays together nicely and is very sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.